Hey guys, I'm Natalie with Autel Robotics. I'm here to show you everything you're going to get with that XStar Premium as soon as it lands on your doorstep. The XStar Premium comes in both white and orange. I personally like the orange better, so that's what we're going to be looking at. Let's get started. So this is an unboxing video, but the first thing you'll notice is that the XStar Premium actually comes packaged in its own semi-hard, splash-proof carrying case. Once we unzip and open that up, you'll see the aircraft, remote controller, propellers, some documents, a charging kit, and a maintenance kit packed nicely into compartments. I'll start with the charger kit. We've got a micro USB cable for Android users. Apple users, you'll have to use your own lightning cable. We have the aircraft battery charger and AC cable, and this actually will charge both the drone's battery and the controller simultaneously. Next up is the maintenance kit with the spare vibration absorbers and securing pins for the gimbal, rubber pads, a motor clamp in case you accidentally over-tighten your props, and a remote controller neck strap, which comes in handy if you've got butterfingers like me. In the documents box, you'll find the user manual, quick start guide, extra stickers, and a packing list. Don't forget to read through these before your first flight. You'll also get 2 full sets of self-tightening props with your XStar Premium. Because we opened the orange Premium, these props are black. In the white version, you'll get white props. 4 of these props have red caps, and 4 have either silver or black caps to help you know which propellers to fit on which motors. Last but not least, the actual drone and remote controller. You'll see the 3-axis stabilized 4K Ultra HD camera, which also has a convenient quick release button on the side. It also comes locked with a gimbal clamp. On the side of the gimbal, there's a 64GB micro SD card already in the slot. Of course, the drone also comes with its own battery, which gets you about 25 minutes of flight time. And check it out, this remote controller is actually one of my favorite parts of flying the XStar Premium. It connects with your mobile device using either that micro USB cable or your own lightning cable to get you an HD live view of up to 1.2 miles away. Plus, it has its own LCD screen for critical flight information and the super handy row of one-touch flight buttons. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, autelrobotics.com, for more information on the XStar series.